Next we create the sales page using again a template that has been taken from the GoHighLevel's template library. We had the content for the sales page as well. So that was the emails, and here is the content for the sales page. We come back here, we can add the logo, the different information. I click on edit a new tab. So that's the structure of the landing page. The sales page, basically the pricing plans, what our readers are saying, subscribe to get a preview, and so on, customer testimonials, and so on. So you can update the headline, the transform the page. So you can add all of the options. Like we created the landing page for the lead magnet, the free mini course. You can edit the landing page, make changes to all of the things, and then the CTA would be what? So this CTA would take us to the next step, link to the order page, that is the checkout page. If you remember, we also had done some content for the checkout page. So this is all FAQ, money back guarantee, limited time offer, call to action, author's note, testimonials, what you will learn, what are the benefits, introduction. So this is all the copy for this particular page. You can update the copy wherever you find it fit. If you do not get any particular section content, you can create the content using ChatGPT, or you can delete that section. Like we have only one pricing over here, so what we do is we delete these different pricing plans. I do not need so many pricing plans, so I only have one pricing, so maybe I will not even need this. Okay, so the pricing can be simple, easy pricing. Here is the checkout page for your ebook. Now if I look at the checkout page, that's the order page. I click on edit this page. What are the things that this page has? Again, we are using the template for this. Different steps in the template: home, order page, thank you page. Landing page is something that we were trying to build, which I don't think would be needed, but what we can do here is, I'll show you in a while. Okay, so that's the order page. Here we have the shipping details, name, shipping address. Since you are selling a ebook, I don't think you will need a shipping address details. So what you can do is simply hide the shipping details from here. Toggle hide shipping. It hides the shipping. Do I want to show the company name? I do not want, let's say. So I hide the company name. So just the full name, email address, phone number. Go to step 2. Your payment method has to be connected here. Then all of this, what our readers are, some testimonials to reinforce. So almost there, complete your purchase. So we can add all of these content. Let's say I add a headline that says almost there, complete your purchase. Some benefits, a product image, limited time offer. To make it look good, we can, so this image is basically not looking good. We can change the background image to make it look better. If you have a look at one of my landing pages, congratulations, I'll show you a link /congratulations. Yeah, so that's one example of a thank you page built using GoHighLevel again. Okay, let's say this. No, not this. I want to look at the congratulations page. Okay, yeah, here it is. So congrats, you are just one step away from freedom and success. You have a timer, register before the deadline, bonuses worth this. Then you have bonus 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a refund guarantee, and then we have the payment details over here. That's how you create your checkout page. And once you have the checkout page done, you then move on to the thank you page. So that's the thank you page. If you want to give further details on you wanting them to join your Facebook group, or some action that you want them to take after they have bought your book, you can tell them here. And also create a separate workflow or a separate email flow for people who are buying your ebook. So that's an entire funnel for you. right from creating a landing page with a lead magnet, setting up some email automations, then creating a sales page, an order page, and a thank you page. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll be there. I'm available to answer. A more detailed view of each of the different parts, elements will be explained in next couple of videos, where we will see in details every single aspect of building automations, creating forms, setting up payments, setting up or adding products. Like you need to add a product over here, the book that you have. So you have to create a product here. To create a product, you have to add your payment method like Stripe or Razorpay. So all of that we'll see in the next couple of videos, but this is a quick overview of how you can create funnels and landing pages and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed the session. I know it's a bit difficult to take it all in at a time, but go slow with it. Try building something. Come back to me with questions if you have any. Join the Facebook community that we have, and we will try to answer to all your questions and queries that you have. Thank you. Bye-bye.